my channel. Today's video is going to be the Leigh-Anne Carnival inspired makeup look. I died when I saw this makeup look. I was like, I have to do a tutorial on that makeup look because it is stunning. I will also show you, I haven't done it yet, maybe it looks shit, but I don't know. But I also will show you how to amp up the look by applying glitter to it, which Heidi did not do to Leigh-Anne, but everyone knows glitter is my favorite thing in the entire world, so I will show you how to do glitter. Hasn't happened yet, as I just said, but it will happen in about 5 seconds after I filmed this. So if you want to find out how I created this Leigh-Anne Carnival inspired makeup look, then just keep on watching the video. Thanks guys, bye! Okay, so starting off, yes, I am sick, and yes, I was drunk yesterday, so that's fun. But we've already primed our eyes and we've already done our eyebrows, so we're just going to move on, as always, straight into the eyeshadow, which is the main focus of this look anyway. So let's get into this Leigh-Anne Carnival look. Alright, so Heidi's created this look for Leigh, and it is absolutely gorgeous. The blend on it is incredible. And I have noticed here that she has tagged Jeffree Star, which is making me believe that one of these palettes that I do own is this look, and I'm going to dip into a few because I'm not too sure what Heidi's dipped into. So we've got Jawbreaker, which has a bunch of shades, which could be it. I've also got the Thirsty palette. I've also got the Carnival palette from Stacey Marie, but that wasn't tagged. I've also got the new Morphe Jeffree Star thing to dip into. That could be it as well. So we're just going to dip into everything that I own and hope for the best. So first I need to blow my nose because she is ill. So we're going to dip in first. Leigh has this like reddy, earthy kind of crease, well, upper crease I would say. So to start it, I'm going to start with the Thirsty palette from Jeffree Star, and we're going to start with the shade Kumquat on a Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going to work this in my crease and then bring it up towards the brow bone. Next, taking a Morphe JH35 brush, I'm going to dip into the shade next to it, which is called Stroke, and apply this exactly over the top of that. I can't hear in this ear, it needs to be popped. Okay, I'm just going to go back in with Kumquat just to soften the edges. Okay, so now I'm dipping into my Jawbreaker palette, and with a tinier brush, this is a Morphe M456 brush, it's just a tinier blending brush, and I'm going to take this one here called Raspberry. This is the Jawbreaker palette, and I'm going to tuck this on my outer V and bring it around. So I create a 7 or a V shape here, and then blend it up and around. With that same brush, I'm just going to dip into the Blood Sugar palette and take the shades Extraction and Coma, the last two little purple ones, and we're going to work this right on top. I'm now taking a JH34 brush and this shade here, Cherry Soda from the Blood Sugar palette, and I'm just going over. An R37 brush, I'm going to dip into the Morphe Jeffree Star collab and take shade Los Angeles, which is this kind of shade, and tuck that in as well. Okay, so I'm looking for like a deep purple that is also kind of grey, and the Blood Sugar palette kind of has that at the last shade here, Coma, but it's not grey enough. So I'm going to whip out my bloody Beauty Killer palette. This is the very first Jeffree Star palette, and I'm going to take Vanity right here and hope that this will do the job. This is a purpley grey black colour. Anyway, and I'm tucking this in front of that red shade we have on, and then once that's been pressed on, go in with that tiny brush with the red. Don't put any extra red on it though, and just blend it so that the colours come through. Now we're going to pack some colour on. So there's a lovely green in the Morphe Jeffree Star collab, and there's a yellow in the Jawbreaker palette, and there's a yellow in the Thirsty palette. So Just take a yellow, a matte yellow and a matte green. So I'm gonna take a little, I call these little tucky brushes, but this is a M506 from Morphe. It's just a teeny tiny little blender. And I'm taking the color Nate from this Jeffree collab with Morphe. I'm tucking this. No, so you've got your oranges, purples, your red, and then we're tucking in this green right here. And then with a flat tacker brush, find the yellow that you want to use. I'm going to go with the shade Wow from the Jawbreaker palette. And I'm just tapping that on the front. I'm just going in with that green shade again, just to blend them. I'm also going to take a little bit of this blue, because for some reason I see blue. I'm just whacking that in here. Alright, so we're going to throw on some liquid liner, but no wing. Now for lashes, Leigh's wearing a bigger lash for once, and I'm very proud of her, but they're also not that thick. So I'm going to go in with the LMX Jessie lashes, because they're the only like little lash I have pretty much. So we're going to whip those on. Little, but they're also still big. So we're going to throw on some mascara as well. I'm going to take my favourite mascara, and it's so expensive, but it is so good. It is the Lancome Hypnose Mascara. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this. Okay, the lashes are put on and we are ready to go. I'm really happy with the blend and I'm working it, bitch. So we are going to move on to the face. We are going to speed through it. I'll just show you the product and happy days. So let's do it. Going to complete the eye, so I'm going to do our lower lash line. So we are going to jump into basically all these colors and run them on the outer bit, and then there's like, from the looks of it, it looks like orange. So we're going to do that. Let's do it. Take a little pencil brush, dip into all our favorite colors we've used today, and just connect them up. And then we just wipe off that color. And then we go into like an orangey color. I'm taking Charm from the Androgyny palette and I'm popping it. Oh, we look so good, bitch. Bit of lower lash mascara. It doesn't look like Leigh has something on her waterline, so I'm actually going to put something in the waterline. So just a little bit of black kohl liner in there. Okay, so only things I've left to do is basically bring some colour back into my face. So I'm going to take my Marc Jacobs Tantalize bronzer. It smells like coconut, everything. And we're just going to bronze up the face. Now it does seem that Leigh-Anne has some funky like eyeshadow blush going on, but I don't think I'm going to go full out with that, only because I don't think I want to look orange on my face, you know what I mean? So I'm going to take this brush. This is a JH06 and it's like a loose brush, if that makes any sense. Like, this is a normal blush brush, it's quite dense, whereas this is more loose and soft. So I'm going to take Charm from the Androgyny palette and then just use this. Just soft. Of course, if you're actually going to a festival or something, amp it up, but this is just a little more wearable. And then if you think you've got a little bit too much, take your powder brush and just veil over it. I'm just going to quickly contour my nose, so I'll be right back. Alright, so now for some highlighter, we're going to go in with the Brain Freeze Skin Frost Pro palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And we're going to start with a bit of my favourite. This is so blinding, it's insane, which is Gold Breaker. Like, are you kidding me? And then I'm taking a bit of frozen fruit. And then I'm taking a bit of Gold Breaker. And I'm putting it in my inner corner just here. So now all we have to do now is some lippy lippies. So Leigh has on a glossy nude brown, so let's do that exactly. I'm taking my favorite LMX lip liner, which is Real Talk. I'm going to overline my lips like I always do. We're then just going to throw on some Celebrity Skin. And then for a gloss, I'm going to put Diamond Juice, the gloss from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And that, my friends, is the finished look. So I will be right back with the completed hair, and that's it. Well, I'm not doing Leigh-Anne's actual hair, I'm just doing my hair like I normally would, but we'll be right back. Okay, alright, so you're at the part of the video where we're gonna amp it up now. So I've ripped my lashes off because, obviously. So, we're applying glitter. Now, I've used a ton of glitters, from MAC ones, to fucking eBay ones, to the LMX ones, so many, and the most comfortable glitters I've ever used are from Trixie Cosmetics. And that is not just because I'm obsessed with Trixie Mattel on saying that, no. I'm very obsessed with Little Mix, right? But Trixie's glitters, these ones, I can't tell you how comfortable they are to wear on the eye. They do not irritate at all. It's crazy. So we're gonna take Lemon Bar today and apply that where the yellow is. I'm going to reapply a little bit of the yellow, and then we're gonna go over it. So I'm just reapplying some of this yellow. This is from the Jewel Breaker palette. It's called Wow. And then I'm gonna take some glitter primer. You can use whatever you want. There's LMX ones, but my favorite is the NYX glitter primer. So we're gonna use a bit of that. Just putting a bit on the back of my hand, and then taking a little flat packer brush. This is a Morphe M124 brush. And I'll just pick up some of that glitter primer and just put it where I want the glitter to stick to. Put it somewhere you don't want the glitter to stick to, bitch, it's going to stick, it's pretty obvious. So I'm just putting it on. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the Trixie Cosmetics glitter in Lemon Bar, which is this gorgeous yellow glitter. Sorry, it just sprays everywhere. Got my little sifter in it, that's what it looks like, I don't know if you guys can see. And then all we're going to do now is take a brush, dip into it, and apply it on. Okay, because we have a different eye look on now, I want to dramatize the liner. Completely up to you how you want to alter this look, whether you want it to look like Leigh-Anne's or you want it to be, I call it dragified, but whatever you want. So I was going to wing it, but I don't think I am now. I'm just going to make the liner a bit thicker. You know what? We're doing a wing. And then of course sticking on your lashes, whether you go with the little ones or you put on a bigger pair. That's up to you. And this is the updated version, Elise-ified, dragified, glitterified. So all I did was just pop on that glitter and change the lash, and you turned into me. So that is the update. So a little close look. Alright, well that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Sorry if I wasn't my regular funny self because I am hungover and also sick. So that's that. But if you like this tutorial, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. And follow me on all my social medias. They are all linked down below. Twitter, Instagram and Spotify. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys! Bang, bang.